Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog FARMHOUSEOnBoone.com, and today I want to show you how to make a super simple lavender wreath that costs less than $20 and can be left out all year long because it's made with artificial lavender. So recently I posted a picture on my Instagram of a lavender wreath on my front door, and I kind of made it really quickly and I didn't record it, and I had so many people say, can you show us how to make that? So obviously I should have done that, but I didn't. So I just took the wreath back apart so that I can make it on video. Now the things that you're gonna need for this are one bunch of faux lavender, which I found mine on Amazon, and I just cut it apart. It comes in some like big bundles. As opposed to leaving it in the tall, I cut them apart like this, just with some scissors. Ticking stripe fabric, I used a black ticking. You could of course use any fabric, doesn't have to be ticking stripe, but for this I used ticking. One grapevine wreath, some floral wire, and scissors. So I will link below where I found the lavender bundles. All of these supplies together are less than $20, so it's a nice inexpensive wreath to keep around all year. So let me show you how I made it. I just started by fitting the lavender sprigs around the wreath. I made sure that they would all go in the same direction, and I kind of just wrapped the wire stems around the grapevine wreath and then used floral wire to secure them, and then just to make sure they didn't go too wild because I didn't want it too loose and messy. And I just continued around the wreath until it was all covered with lavender. At the end, I just took some of the last bits and filled in spots that looked a little bit sparse. To make the bow, I cut a 8.5 inch wide by 18 inch long piece of ticking stripe fabric. You could really use any fabric that coordinates well with the lavender. I like the classic colors of the black and white ticking. And then I just folded it in half and sewed a seam down the long edge. I turned it right side out, pressed it flat, and then just sewed the ends together, right sides together, and flipped it out. To cinch the bow in the middle, I used a 3 inch by 6 inch piece of ticking stripe fabric and then sewed it down the long edge. Turned it right side out. I wrapped it around the cinched bow and then sewed it in place and then trimmed off the edges. To attach the bow, I just put a piece of floral wire around the little band in the middle and then just wrapped it around the grapevine wreath. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.